If you are interested in having a cheap ride from your home to your work or anywhere you're going without being scared that the price you're going to pay is going to be higher than what you see from the app, well, you're in the right spot. I'm going to show you a app where you can pay a cheap, small amount for your rides without being scared of the price increasing, even if you're stuck in traffic. Let's go right into it. Let's come over here to Play Store, click on it. So once it opens up, come up here to search for app. Now the name of the app is called Rida. So go ahead and type it in, Rida. After typing it in, go ahead and click on search. So that's it. It's the second one, not the first one. The first one says in Rida. What we want is Rida, cheaper than taxi ride. So that's it. So go ahead and click on it. Okay, now this is the app right here. What we're going to do next is click on install. So go ahead and click on install right now. Okay, so now the installation process have started. We're just going to wait for it. It's not going to take too long. It's pretty fast in downloading, and this also depends on the speed of your internet too. So let's wait for it to install. Okay, so it's done installing. What we're going to do next is click on open. So go ahead and click on open. Okay, so right now wait for the app to open up. Okay, so what we're going to do now is put in our phone number. It says enter your phone number. Automatically it has my country code, it is +234, and if you look on the left hand side, notice my country flag is appearing there. Yep, it's appearing there. If you click on it, you can check the other countries where Rida is available too. It's not that much, but a good sum of countries are already using the application, and they have drivers there too. So let's go ahead and type in phone number. Okay, now I'm done typing in my phone number. Let's go ahead and click on the flag. Let's say the countries where Rida is available. So coming right here, okay, waiting for it to load. Okay, we can see United States, Uganda, Tanzania, Sudan, Nigeria, okay, Ghana. So these are the countries where a Rida is available. Go ahead and click on next right now. Let's continue the process. Click on allow the right to access your location. Okay, so now they've sent us a verification code which automatically will appear here once they send it as SMS. So click on OK. So now we need to allow the app access to our location. So we're going to click on. So that's what we're doing now. So let's go back. Now this settings allows the app to know where you are so that the drivers can locate you. So let's click on confirm. Right here we have received the code, SMS code to verify. Okay, click on confirm and it's done. Yeah, it's done now. So the next thing, this is how the app looks like, and there's a quick tutorial that will appear in a video. It's in a video form. So this is it. It's loading right now. Okay, so this is it. It says enter your departure and destination point. So that's the first part. Set the price you are willing to pay or choose the suggested price. Then step 3, the Rida app will quickly find near drivers. Wait for the driver to accept your price. Then choose the driver you like based on their rating. So it says you will see the driver and his arrival time. So that is the 6 steps that you need to follow to be able to use the app. But I'm also going to show you some other things that was not discussed in the video itself. So let's go ahead and do the tutorial. Okay, now the app is opened up and you can now see the base amount right here, 550. So let me give you a quick tour of the application. Now the first thing you can see is the map on top showing your location. Now in green you can see the base amount. That's the least amount that the driver will collect if he accepts your ride. Now once the driver accepts your ride, you can send him a message right here that says special message to the driver. Through here you can communicate. Maybe you need to send him your address or any further information describing where you are. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and click on it, show you how it works. Let's go ahead and click on it. So once you click on it, you notice there's a space for us to type in our message, and it's going to increase a little bit more here like this. Then your keyboard will appear right there. Then you type in your message. After typing in your message, you click on done to send it. Let's go ahead and click on the three dot on the left hand side. Click on it. Once it opens up, you'll see our name and phone number, and you can see the history, support, and settings and about. So let's come right to where the name is. Click on that. So from here we can see our phone number, name, the ratings. That's the ratings that the driver gave us when we took a ride with them. This is it right here. It's 4.9, so that's my rating. And my trips, I've taken 3 trips, and trip in last 2 weeks, so this is it right here. Then my cancelled trips in last 2 weeks are 0. So I've not cancelled any of my trips that I've taken with Rida. So let's go back, click on the arrow. So come back again. If we click on history, we're going to see 3 columns. One says all, the other says passenger, and the other one says driver. The all is a collection of the other 2 right here. That's the passenger and the driver. But if we just want to see the passenger alone, history, or we just want to see the driver, history alone, it's for the driver. Unless you are a driver yourself, you're not going to see any information here. Right. So let's go back, click on it again. So let's come over to support. In support you can say I am a driver or I am a rider. So let's click on the rider. So it's about the service, account registration, login and editing your account, rider safety. So you can come right here and read more about it. Let's click on about the service. So this is it. So if you want more information, you can come right here to learn more about what they have to offer, the safety during the ride and things like that. You can know more about it here. Let's go back. Now let's come over to settings. In the settings we just have language. Let's click on language. We just have English, Espanol. Then sound, driver arrived. So that's the sound that the app will make once the driver has arrived at my location or your location. So let's go back. Then we can see about. Okay, so if you notice that the app doesn't have a place where we can put in our card and connect our credit card to the application so that we can just make an online payment. The app doesn't have that presently in this version, but I think over time, as it continues to be worked on, it will have that option. Right, now let's go ahead and upload a profile picture. We're going to click on that round green icon over there. When that's the camera, click on it. So once you click on this icon right here that has the camera on it. Click on it, then you can now choose from gallery if you have a picture in your gallery. If not, you have to take a photo. You click take a photo. So now gallery is opening up, but you also have to grant it access to do that. So now we're looking for a picture we want to use as our profile picture. Okay, so I'm going with this download one. Click on it, then click on it again, then confirm it, click on crop image. No, I'm not going to crop it, I'll just leave it like that. Looks good. Then click that, then wait for it to upload, and that's it. We have uploaded a picture. So that's it, looks nice. Let's go ahead and order for a ride. The first thing we need to do is to confirm our location. If this address is correct, this 24 Godwin's Way, Isaga, Tedo. Once this address is correct and it's where we are located, we go ahead and impute where we're going to, which is this green dot right here that says to or to. So click on that. Okay, so where am I going to? Let's say I'm going to the beach, so I want to go to Landmark Beach. Yeah, that's a good place to go to. So I'm going to start typing it in, and automatically it gets where I'm going to. So I'm just going to click on it, and once I do click on it, it goes back to the front. Yeah, it just comes back here. In our destination where we want to go, all we need to do next is click on create a ride. So what we're going to do now is click on create a ride right here. So go ahead and click on here. We have our address where we are located, which is the orange, and the address where we're going to is green. After that, we have estimated travel time, then cash payment, then the amount, then driver seen. So right now it has seen 18, then driver near a lot. So let's scroll up and let's see now. If you look at here, we have 100 drivers have responded, and his price is 4,000. So his bidding is saying, okay, this amount is not okay for me. I want 4,000 to come over and pick you up and take you to your destination. We have another one which is 4,500. That's what that person is asking for. So depending, if this price is okay with you, you go ahead and accept. And if you don't like this price, then go ahead and cancel. Cancel is up here. But I'm going to cancel and try again and see the price that it brings out if I change the location. Okay, now after that it changed location, I can now see the price is lower. So let's try again. I can now see we have 9 drivers. Let's wait. Okay, 10 drivers increasing, and right here I have 1,000, but it's too low. So it says set higher price. So I'm going to click change price, and it's increasing by 100 naira. So that's the amount it's increasing by. So let's wait and see if another driver will take our price. If it doesn't, I might have to increase it again and again, depending. But I have an amount I'm not going to pass, like my maximum amount. I'm not going to pass that. Okay, so I finally did change the price more than once, and we ended up at 2,500. So that's the amount I'm going to pay to the driver once it comes and picks me up and takes me to my destination. So this is the ride I'm going to accept, and I have to be fast before it gets to the end. Okay, now I've accepted. The driver will arrive soon. I can see the rating. I can see the type of car is a Toyota Corolla, the number plate, and the color is black. And it says here WhatsApp, so that I can contact him. Then I can also call him. I'm going to try that out. That is his picture, and you can see more details over here. So you can see the location on the map where the driver is located. That's details. This is his details, number of rides, then his rating, the Toyota Camry, that's the type of car, and the colors right there. So let's go ahead and try calling in. We click on call. Okay, so that's his number. Gonna blur that out. So I spoke with the driver. The driver was quite pleasant and was a great guy. He came on time, and the information in the app matches with what I saw, his number plate, and the color of the car was black, and it was his picture that was on the app. So we got into the car and we started the journey. Take note of this. This is very important that you check the number plate and the color of the car and the picture of the driver to make sure all this matches with what you see. Check the car out, check out the driver before you enter into any taxi. The trip was pretty nice and the driver knew the area very well, so we got there on time. Soon the ride was over and we were saying goodbye, but I need to say this, the driver did reduce the price. I didn't pay him 2005. I paid him less than that. So that's pretty nice. So that's not all the information I have for you. Don't go anywhere. Now, do you know that you can become a driver using this same app? Yep, right here. You can also get paid, become a driver, picking up people and getting paid and taking them to that destination. Wow, let me show you how you can do that. Now, come right here to this driver icon right here beside the passenger. Click on it. Now, once you click on it, you can see it says you will see available riders. Yeah, wait for the rides and earn some money. So you can become a driver, and let's go ahead and click on become a driver. Let's see what it shows us. It says earn what you are worth. So let's register. So basically you need some more information to become a driver. You need your driving license and some extra documents. Now I'm going to put some more information at the end of this video, so you need to stay tuned. Now, one more thing I need to show you. Let's go back right here to the three lines. Click on it. Now come over here to history. Now if you look right here, you see driver. Now this is where your information will appear, like how many rides that you have taken. The information of how many rides you have taken will appear right here. For the passenger, which is me, this is where my own information appears. So both passengers and driver information appear at all together. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.